Before starting, let me share something with you so you would be more excited to work on your pronunciation. So as I have already mentioned in my previous videos many times that if you work on your pronunciation, you sound damn clear, precise and understanding, and people are really very excited to hear you that what this person is going to say. You know, sometimes we have really very beautiful knowledge and good stuff to share with people, but we can't express in a very clear and precise way. And have you noticed some people, they don't have much knowledge to share with, but the way they speak, that's wow. It's damn clear, precise. We understand and we can easily digest that what this person is trying to say. And that's okay. It's not important every time that you should have knowledge of all over the world. No, it's okay. Whatever knowledge you have, just try to share that knowledge in a very clear and precise way so people can understand. So if you really want to sound crystal clear and precise while speaking, you must work on your pronunciation. And if you really want to stop your MTI, mother tongue influence, again you must work on your pronunciation. Okay, so hello busy bees, welcome back to my channel Pronunciations Way, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 2020 words which start with letter N, and these words are actually very basic words, but you have been mispronouncing these words for quite long. So without wasting your precious time, let's dive in. First word, how do you say it? N-U-M-B, numb, no. Last B is silent here, call it numb, numb. Okay, then what about this one? Numbness, no. Again, mid B is silent here, so call it numbness, numbness, not numbness. What about this word? Necklace. There is no lace. Okay, the right way to say this word is necklace. Necklace, not necklace. This one, notification. There is no notification. Okay, the right way to say this word is notification. Notification. You know what? My cousin, she says, yes, says, not says. Okay, so my cousin says notification every time. I have told her, I have corrected her many times, but again still she's just saying notification. This one, nicotine. No, this is not nicotine. The right way to say this word is
nicotine,
nicotine.
nicotine,
Nicotine, not nicotine. This one, I don't know how horrible you people are mispronouncing this word, but let me tell you the correct way to say this word. So the right way to say this word is nuisance. Nuisance. How do you say this word? Nuances? No. The right way to say this word is nuances. Nuances. And what does it mean? Barikiyan in Hindi. This one, November, November, November. How? Let me tell you. In Hindi, you can say November, but in English, November. So in English, there are two ways to pronounce this word. Either you can say November or you can say November. So if you are working on your British pronunciation, you can call it November. But if you're working on your US pronunciation, then you can call it November. But it would be better for you if you say November, not November. This one, nuptial, 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 nuptial. Let me tell you, the right way to say this word is nuptial, nuptial. This one, neglect, no. The right way to say this word is neglect, neglect. Very simple, neglect. Okay, so we are done with 20 words. 20 words? No. So 10 words which start with letter N I have already shared in this video, and 10 words you would be finding in next. Okay, so if you have enjoyed this video, give thumbs up, and if you want to learn more like this, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye-bye.